Hello, and welcome to my presentation on instrumental conditioning and behaviorist theory. I wanted to start by just clarifying what type of conditioning we're talking about. We're not talking about classical conditioning here, where Pavlov, ring the bell, dog gets hungry, and that involuntary reaction. We're talking about voluntary reactions. We're talking about consequences that affect behavior. And according to theorists such as Thorndike and Skinner, these stimulus-response connections are what influence learning. And when you break it down at its very basic level, I think you can think of instrumental conditioning sort of in an ABC model. That idea that you have an antecedent, you have a behavior, and then you have a consequence. And it's through cueing and shaping, punishing, rewarding, promoting, so on and so forth, that we shape this desired behavior or get rid of an undesirable behavior. When I first approached this chapter, I think I felt that behaviorism was kind of inappropriate for child learning. But the more I read, the more I realized how often in the classroom, and in classroom management especially, I use a behaviorist model. And I think most classrooms throughout the country use behaviorist models when we're talking about classroom behavior and behavior in general. Unfortunately, I think we're doing a very poor job of using behaviorism, because consistency and being very articulate towards the desired behavior is a really key component to being using successful behaviorism in your classroom. So I hope through this presentation you'll become familiar with some of the terminologies surrounding behaviorism and effective ways to use this theory, and also ineffective ways to use this theory. And enjoy.